from Glojas and hope everyone is keeping very well and safe. Today I would like to talk about hair rejuvenation with PRP. Hair rejuvenation with platelet-rich plasma, known as PRP, is a non-surgical therapeutic treatment for hereditary hair loss. These cells contain growth factors and essential proteins that promote healing and stimulate hair growth. Is your hair thinning out? Hairline is receding more and more? Are you shedding more than usual? Have you begun to show signs of balding? Did you start looking for hair loss solutions? Interested in a non-surgical solution for thicker and healthier hair? Would you like to hear about PRP? If you answered yes to any of these questions, call us now to know more about our hair rejuvenation only at Glojas. Glojas brings out the best in you.